This content is intended for adult audiences and is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not intended for viewers under 18 without parental supervision and may contain harsh or graphic language, sensitive topics, and disturbing imagery. Viewers' discretion is strongly advised. So this is just us being nosy, reporting live from somebody else's business. We did the research so you don't have to. We hope this finds you well. Let us begin. When people think of reggae, we often just shift straight to Bob Marley. But before Mr. Marley took the world stage, there was another voice. Rougher, grittier, but just as soul stirring. We're talking about Jimmy Cliff today, the original international reggae rebel. He was born James Chambers in Somerton, St. James in 1948. Jimmy Cliff's rise started in the 1960s during Jamaica's post-independent music boom. He moved to Kingston as a teenager with dreams too loud for the countryside. Cliff recorded his first big tune at just 14. It was called Hurricane Hattie, and it was produced by Leslie Kong, who saw the star potential in this slim young man with a massive voice. From there, it was hit after hit, from Miss Jamaica to King of Kings, and you can get it if you really want. But Jimmy Cliff wasn't just a singer, he was an actor, an activist, and an ambassador of culture. In 1972, he starred in The Harder They Come, the film that introduced the world to Jamaica ghetto life, corruption, and the sound of reggae. The movie and its soundtrack were revolutionary. Cliff's performance as Ivanhoe Martin, based loosely on the real-life Reagan, showed the struggle, resistance, and spirit of the Jamaican people. And the title song became a rally cry for dreamers and the downtrodden. But Jimmy's career didn't stop there. He toured globally, won a Grammy, and even appeared in the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, which is super dope. He sang Many Rivers to Cross, a soul-wrenching track that touched literally everybody, from church mothers to Hollywood directors. He also took a stand. Cliff rejected the commercial pressures of major labels, spoke out on apartheid, inequality, and the struggles of poor people, all while blending ska, rocksteady, and the roots reggae like a master craftsman. Today, Jimmy Cliff stands as a living legend, not just as a performer, but a pioneer. A man whose voice carried the soul of Jamaica across oceans, and who proved that music can fight the system just as sharply as any protest. We want to thank you for listening and watching the Jamaican Case Files.
Remember to subscribe to stay tuned to more hidden truths.
Until next time, stay woke, stay safe, peace.